Stand the camera. Say hi, everybody.
Hi. I'm not in it.
Shannon, Leslie, Susan, and Kim. And Molly. I like your shirt. Okay. Are you guys warmed up? Make sure you don't go too hard first time and pull a muscle.
I've got to follow someone.
Yeah. Okay.
Just go all the way to the top.
Just go easy at first.
Yeah. You go a long way.
Here comes the car. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see it. Okay, make sure you use small, quick steps going down so you don't hurt your shins or your knees. Good job. Make sure you use your arms.
Okay.
Pump those arms, Leslie. Work it. Easy breathing. Come on, all the way, come on, push, 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 all the way. Woo! Good job.
Okay. One more.
Good job, Sarah.
Okay, come on. Go to the top. Woo! All right, Susan.
Good job, Susan.
Nice space.
That away. Come on, push, push, push hard. Come on.
Pretty good. Okay, fresh line. Oh, that's pretty good.
Come on, Kim.
Is it videotape?
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't know. Here comes Leslie. You're running for your life.